from Get Traffic Ready. In this video, I am going to show you how you can access your lead forms. Now, when you create a lead ad and you create a form, that is where all of your information goes that people give you. So their name, address, phone number goes into that form, and then generally it's associated to your Facebook page. Now, you can access that information that people have inputted into that form for up to 90 days from the day that they put that information in. Now, while we do use Zapier to push that information to either a Google spreadsheet or to an application like MailChimp, if you ever want to download the raw data without having to go through your campaign and go through all those wee hoops, what you can actually do is navigate to your Facebook page, and you can either do this in Business Manager or you can just do it in your browser, in Facebook, sorry. Then you go to Publishing Tools, and then this will give you a whole bunch of stuff that you can use. So under Publishing Tools, there's also the ability to schedule posts for your page, and to look at insights, notifications, all those kind of things. But one of the things within Publishing Tools that we can actually see are all the forms that are linked to our page. So down this left hand side, we've got publish posts, so you can see everything there, videos, so your video library, and then a lead ad form, so we can see the forms library, draft forms, and lead ads set up. So we want to go to the forms library, and then what you will see here is the forms that you've currently got running. So this is, you can have multiple ads running and you can just use one form, and this gives you one central location to actually download this information. And what you'll see is the leads count. So for 4 Ways to Feast, currently we've got 168 leads that we can download the information of, and there was a further 267 that have expired because it's beyond that 90 days. And then there's another one down here which is number one thing, and there's only one new lead. The rest have expired. So all I would need to do is just click download, and then that will start downloading the leads. You can download by a date range, so by selecting that, you can select, if you just want to receive the leads that have come through in the last week or so, you can do that. And then you just click download, and it will give you a CSV form that you can then open up and view all those leads. So if you have any questions, please get in touch. But essentially, if you want to download your lead forms outside of Business Manager and your campaign, go to your Facebook page, Publishing Tools, and then lead forms. Thank you very much for watching.